Hello mga kababs! Bistik Tagalog naman tayo. Tara, gawin natin yan. First, slicer beef ng manipis, pero meron naman nabibili niyan sa supermarket and imamarinate natin yan. So, just add soy sauce. Bahala ka na if gaano kadami gusto mo ilagay. That's okay. Then, let's add calamansi and then add crushed garlic. Masarap pag may garlic. And then, add paminta and sugar. It's up to you gaano kadami. Depende talaga yan sa panlasa nyo. So, while marinating the beef, mag-fry tayo ng side dish natin. Potatoes and green beans. Sabay na natin dyan yung onions kasi mas masarap pag lumabas na yung flavor ng onions. Ayan. So, meron ka ng side dish. Perfect. Looks delicious. Nakakatakam talaga. So, let's cook the beef. Let it simmer until dry. Then, add the remaining marinated sauce pa nag-dry na siya. And once cooked, add the onions, yung finry natin kanina. And that's it. Meron ka ng Bistik Tagalog with side dish. So, try it at home and for sure mag-enjoy kayo. Kaya, ka-enjoy!